In this video, we will go through the new printed timetable visual available to view for uploaded and published timetables data on BODS. First, we will need to go and upload timetables data to BODS. To do this, we will select Publish BODS Data, log on to our account, click Publish Data, select Timetables and then Continue. Write a description on the timetable being uploaded, for example, Service 18 Timetables. Click Continue, and then upload your timetable data, and click Continue. Once the data has validated, and while the data quality report is generating, you'll be able to scroll down to the Review Service Numbers section below. This provides an overview of timetables data at a more granular level, displaying the uploaded license numbers, national operator code, and then a combination of bus line, also known as bus service number, and service code, also known as bus registration number. If we select Service 18 as an example, here we can see the details relating specifically to that bus service. This includes the route geometry on the map, the type of service, whether it's standard or flexible, the registration number, and the current valid files that contains the timetables data for this bus service. And if we scroll down, here we can view the timetables information for this bus service. Users can now use this to validate their data, identify any issues, and correct this before uploading to BODS. So here we have a date picker, so you can choose to view timetables information for a selected date, whether this be a bank holiday, a weekday, or a weekend. For example, I could select 15th of May, click Apply Filter, and the timetables information will then refresh. You have your outbound timetable displayed at the top, and the inbound timetable displayed at the bottom if provided. Here you have the description for the service, for example, Nottingham to Stapleford. You then have your journey codes, also known as vehicle journey numbers, across the top here. You have your stop names listed across the left here, which references the common name from the NAPTAN stops data, and then the departure times for each vehicle journey and stop displayed across the page here. To view all journeys for this timetable, you can navigate to the following pages by clicking Next, and go back by selecting Previous. And where you have more than 10 stops for a timetable, you can click See More to see all stops for that service. Please be aware that enhancements are planned to this feature, including being able to view additional information for stops, including the outcode code, the street name and indicator, highlighting principal timing points alongside other improvements. So now if we go back to the dataset page, we can go ahead and publish this data. And you can now review the timetables data in your own time on the Review My Published Data page, and then select the published dataset. Here we are taken back to the dataset page, where we can then locate the timetable information. This will also be available to view from the Browse Timetables data page if you click on Find Bus Open Data, select Browse Data, select Timetables Data, and then select the published dataset. Again, we can scroll down and view the timetables information by selecting the bus service dataset page. If you have any questions or feedback, please contact the BODS help desk. Details can be found on the video description box below.